guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've watched my videos before. If you haven't and you're new here, my name's Melanie and I do food hauls. Typically once a week I will do a click and collect order from Asda, and yeah, it takes me a while to show what I've been buying, but you know, some of you are enjoying the longer videos, so I hope you continue to like them. Now the last one that I did, there was lots of stuff missing. I was 3 main meals down because they didn't have in stock what I wanted, and I didn't allow substitutions because I didn't want them to substitute what it was basically, and they could have literally substituted it with anything, and I didn't want to be in the position where they were substituting it with rubbish. So I was 3 meals down, and yeah, I've had takeaway twice because I didn't really want what I've got in. So I did a click and collect yesterday. I ordered it yesterday for this morning. Then I forgot about it, and the person who normally picks it up almost went to bed, and I was like, oh, I've just remembered that there's a click and collect to collect in the morning, which also meant, because I'd forgotten about it, I couldn't alter it. Now I think I may have altered a couple of items, but what I've got I'm not mad at, so it doesn't really matter. But it came to about £29, which is a lot. But I feel like if my budget was £29 and I had to get breakfast and lunch in it, some of this would be different. So I'm going to show you what I got anyway. So I love the pineapple lollies. It's 3 for £1. I've been getting 6 on a Friday, but I've been really enjoying them. I got more Panadol because one box hasn't been lasting a week, and then I'm like having to take other stuff before the next shop. So luckily I managed to get some. I got a large Monster, definitely needed today. Then one substitution was the eggs. I asked for a totally different egg, but I did tick yes to substitution because I knew they would substitute it with something similar, because I either get free range or organic, so they look good. Look at the yolk colour. And it's funny because I'm actually going to have avocado on toast with an egg. And I think I might do a soft boiled egg like that. I was going to do a poached egg, but after seeing that I might change. And then I got the Aberdeen Angus lean steak mince. I got this a couple of Fridays ago, and I made a spaghetti bolognese with a packet that I found in the cupboard. Might have been Coleman's, and it was totally different to any spaghetti bolognese I've ever had before. They had rosemary in it, and it just totally changed what it tasted like. And that was the plan, but I have discovered I don't have any of those packets in the cupboard. So I do typically make my own homemade sauce anyway. So it'll be a homemade spaghetti bolognese without the spaghetti pasta, because that's another thing I forgot to put on the list. But I do have other types of pasta. Then I got a pack of chicken breast fillets. Now I didn't know what to get. I went on and I didn't particularly want anything. I feel like I'm just having one of those weeks, you know, when you don't really know what you want. So I just got chicken. I do try and get organic, or they do a corn-fed one, but it never shows online, so I don't even know if they do it anymore. So I've just had to get this, and it looks like there's 4 in there, so it's not too bad. I just prefer organic or corn-fed or free range, just it's a preference. Then I've had this on my shopping list a few times recently, but it's always been out of stock. And even though I'm looking at it and I'm like, I don't particularly want it at the moment, it does have a good date on it, so it's okay. But yeah, I've been trying to get this for a few weeks, and every time I put it on, it's out of stock. Then I initially had the pack that's half this size. I think there's 5 in them, and it actually was more expensive to buy that than these because these were on offer. So I just got these. I predominantly take these to help me take tablets because I struggle to swallow tablets. So I have a trick where I'm chewing food, and just before I'm about to swallow it, I put a tablet in, and I repeat how many times I need depending on how many tablets I've got. Sometimes I do it with my main meals, but sometimes if I need medication when I'm not eating or I don't feel like eating, I'll have anything like this or bread or any kind of snack thing that doesn't break up too much, because things that break up and go like into a liquid, they're no good for doing that. Then I got these. The first time I got these, it was by accident when I thought I was picking up the strawberry ones because they were in the strawberry section, And I'm not joking, this is the creamiest, tastiest yogurt ever. It was on offer. I wouldn't pay full price for a lot of things, and this is one of them I wouldn't pay full price for. But it's generally on offer a lot of the time anyway, so I highly recommend that. This was another substitution. I asked for sliced mushrooms just because it's easier and they're actually slightly cheaper, and I'm more likely to use them all because I got a pack on Friday and they're already used. So I did tick yes to substitutions just in case, and I've ended up with these. Then I got 2 2-litre bottles of Diet Coke. This is £3 and it costs £3 for 2 of the 1.25 litre bottles because they've put them up to £1.49. So I might as well get them more liquid for the same price. Got one of these on Friday. This is one of the best drinks ever and it's still on offer for £2, so I got it. Never had Oreo eggs before, but last Easter my Easter egg that I got given was Oreo, and it had the Oreo chocolate bars in, and I've never had them before and they were so delicious. I've not had them since, I don't know why. So I spotted these and I thought, well, why not? Then I love a Reese's, anything Reese's really, except for the dark chocolate ones. I love the filling more than the chocolate. Sometimes I break the chocolate off and don't eat the chocolate, or as little of it as I can. So I thought I'd try these because I do love the filling. And then this has been a favourite of mine since before Christmas when I discovered it last year. So that is everything that I got today. If you have any questions about anything, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Or if you have any suggestions about anything you think I may like based on what you see in this video or other videos if you've watched any, please feel free to say you might like this, because you might tell me something that I've never tried or seen but I didn't think was me, and I might try it. I hope everyone's okay. If you're new to my channel or you watch my videos but aren't subscribed, please subscribe, and also don't forget to hit the bell notification button. That way every time I upload you'll get an alert to let you know I've uploaded, especially at the moment my uploads are a little bit all over the place, so at least then you'd be alerted to the fact that I have done a video. I hope you're all staying safe and I hope you're all well, and I'll be back very soon with another food haul. Thank you for watching.